If you're new to software engineering, you probably had to install a package through npm or through using Yarn. But there's this new technology that came out recently that's called Bun that essentially packages all those dependencies into one tool for you. Bun's priority is efficiency, speed, and making sure that you can get your software running as soon as you possibly can. It's not a technology that's being used right now in a lot of the bigger, more established repos because it's just so new, but I think it's honestly a great idea, and it's so nice knowing that there are tools like this being developed to make software engineering easier in the future. Also, Bun just got acquired by Anthropic, and we're going to have to see just what they do with it, but I'm very excited to see how this tool can essentially help more developers in the future. So what I wanted to do today was actually walk through the initial setup of Bun and make sure that you, as a new software engineer, understand how Bun works. All right, so I hope you guys can see pretty well, but I'm just gonna go through the quick start and show how fast it is to get an actual project started with Bun. So I'm just gonna run these commands. Bun, oh, what the heck? Bun init my app. We're gonna do blank. And then we're just going to follow this. So we're going to run the index.ts file. But before we do that, I mean, look, we have a git ignore. We have all of these package.json files. We have everything that we pretty much need to start our project through using this app. Bun run index.ts. Hello via Bun. Okay, sweet. So just a console log file. And we're just going to actually set up a server. So bun.serve. Port 300, 3000, roots, new response, Bun. Listening on server.url. All right, let's give that a shot. So bun run index.ts. We're going to allow access. And bam, just like that, we have a website. Bun. Cute. Okay, so now we are going to convert some strings into ASCII art, and we're going to take another package and just install it right now. So let's do this. So let's do bun add figlet. Look at that. Installed all the packages super easily, and it tells you the time it took. Bun. And now we just got to import figlet into our actual code. So import figlet from figlet, and then I'm going to add figlet into our route over here. Okay, so now that's done. Listening on server URL, and now we're just going to run it one more time. Bun run index.ts, listening on localhost. And now, oh yeah, we got to test the actual server now. So now we do figlet, and now it has it in ASCII. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. So now we got to actually make a new index.html file. Push this into here. Yes. And add this following code. Here we go. Not indext.html. Okay, so that's in right there. Then import from here and add it in. So we're just going to go to here. We're going to go here, import this, and we're going to add our index.html instead of bun. Okay, sweet. Save that. And now we're going to Control C and then run this one more time. We're going to visit our browser. Bun. Oh, cute. Okay, sweet. So yeah, this is just the static HTML page he was talking about. And yeah, let's actually try running a script now as well. Bun can execute scripts from your package.json. Add the following scripts. Run bun run index.ts. Then run it from bun run start. And look, oh, it bundled the page in 2 milliseconds. Sweet. I love that it shows you the time for everything that you do. As a developer, that's really important to me, and I'm glad to see that that actually includes that. So we're going to do bun run start. Okay, and looks like we have the script ran from bun run start instead of running from the actual TypeScript. All right, cool. Well, yeah. So bun run is 28 times faster than npm run. 6 milliseconds versus 170 milliseconds of overhead. That is very impressive, and I'm actually super glad that I got a chance to try this tool out. It honestly does feel a lot faster than using npm and installing all those other packages, and I'm actually really glad that I was able to talk about this and figure out this tool because, look, Bun was just purchased by Claude or Anthropic, and I think this is probably going to be the future on how software engineers bundle like software together, right? All of these packages and dependencies and things like this are probably going to either move to the background or are going to be so like cleaned up to the point where a tool like Claude is going to get everything for you like by just running it in the command line. And I'm kind of excited to see what Anthropic is going to do with Bun. I really hope that, I don't want NPM or any of these other package management tools to essentially go away or even, like change all that much. Like they shouldn't be trying to recreate what Bun is doing. But I also think that, hey, if this is the way that we're going to move forward, like it's a great way to move forward because we're building off of existing software, making it more efficient and making it quicker. So yeah, I'm gonna keep messing around with Bun and I'm gonna see how fast I can get with. So yeah, I'm gonna keep messing around with Bun. Maybe I'll even switch up some of my personal projects that I'm working on to see how I can make them better, or maybe rely on different tooling or something like that. But yeah, that's the video.